Hi, my name is Peter Cook, and I work here at the Perspectives National Office, and I've been a local coordinator and instructor for the last 5 years here in Los Angeles. I want to take a moment and encourage you to seriously consider, if you haven't already, joining us at the Perspectives National Conference. To help, I want to specifically tell you who should come and why you should be there. Perspectives is a 40-year movement in the making. We have over 250 live classes held each year and over 250,000 alumni all around the world who've been awakened to God's global purposes within every people. We haven't gotten here by the efforts of any one individual or organization, but through people like you who've served at a variety of levels within Perspectives, whether that's through a local coordinating team, or maybe you've been connecting with local churches and mission agencies to facilitate new classes in your area. Or perhaps you're an instructor who's traveled all over the country bringing our teaching and understanding to our students about God's greater purposes. It has taken all of us to bring Perspectives to where it is today. If you've played any part in moving Perspectives forward, or seriously consider being a part of this movement, we don't want you to miss out on this opportunity to be built up, equipped, and encouraged. We'll have 7 plenary sessions combined with incredible worship. And we've also set aside time for you to connect with our partnering agencies to collect tools and resources that you can pass on to your students. Additionally, we have 28 unique breakout sessions that will enable you to move Perspectives forward within your area. Some examples are promoting among a diverse community, looking at perspectives globally, and building a movement through networking with your local churches. We're going to have an amazing program prepared, but it's what happens in our hearts when we gather together that we're the most excited about. It's moments like these where we set aside times in our busy schedule to gather and allow God to breathe His life into us. When we're in this posture, God can elevate our vision, refuel our passion, and connect us to one another as like-minded brothers and sisters who are passionate to see our churches and communities ignited for the global purposes of God. You're an important part of this ministry, and you're an important part of this gathering. And we want to see you there at the Perspectives National Conference, July 13th through the 16th in Timonium, Maryland at Grace Fellowship Church. See you there.